Welcome to Santa Rosa Beach. You are not going to believe this beautiful home we're going to share with you today. It has everything. I mean everything. You're really going to love it, and I can't wait to share it with you. This house has too much to even just tell you about today. All I can say is there's a place that you would absolutely love. It is my favorite house on the coast. This is the best room in the house. You can have all your friends in, sit down and watch your sports, basketball, football, and the bar is right over there. This is a great room to have fun in. If you don't shoot pool, this is a good time to learn how. And of course, you can really entertain in here. Everything you'd ever need, a full bar area with a wine cooler. You could turn this into your game room. You could turn it into an additional dressing room. As you see, you have a spa area here, place to do your hair, massages. It's a great house. Miss nothing in this house, nothing. Now that you've seen the home, just give me a call, Janie McDonald with Berkshire Hathaway, and I'll be glad to help you.